Hi guys, this is just a quick update on where my little gardens are going. So these are the tomatoes. Now this is day 7. And as you can see, some of them are getting pretty big. They're doing quite well. And if we look underneath, we can see that the roots are doing pretty well too. Okay, so I only had one that didn't germinate, unfortunately. Sorry, I had 2 that didn't germinate. The rest are all doing well. Some of them are bigger, some of them are still small. They're in the 4 and 6 leaf stage, but they're all doing pretty well. Now, these were peppers, and they were planted 2 days after the tomatoes, and I've had 0 germination from them. So this will be one that I have to reseed. I probably had a bad seed packet, so I'll reseed those ones. And then these are lettuce, and these are on day 4. And as you can see, they're growing quite well. I've got one that didn't sprout and one that's kind of spindly, but the rest are all growing really, really well. And I'm very happy with them. They're starting to show some roots on the bottom, so a couple more days those roots will be extending down. So they're doing really well. And that's my little grow operation here down in the basement beside the freezer.